Hey traders, welcome back to MQL5 Mastery. On my channel, you will get the most honest reviews and most unbiased reviews about the popular expert advisors available on MQL5 Marketplace. Today's video is going to be a bit different because this particular expert advisor has managed to book the popular spot on MQL5 channel. But what makes this video different is this EA hasn't got any reviews yet, but still sitting on popular MT4 robots. So today I'm going to review the Infinity EA. In this video, I'm going to cover what's in the description, features claimed by the developer, about the developer, we are going to do backtest, we will talk about the backtest results, and in the last, final conclusion, and I will rate this expert advisor out of 5 stars. So now let's talk about what's inside the description and about the EA. So the first thing that it's a newly launched expert advisor which has been published on 2nd October 2024 and it's available at multiple price option, which is a good thing. This EA works on GBP USD and gold and it's available for both MT4 and MT5, and this EA is currently offered at $499 as an introductory price for 5 purchases. It also requires $700 minimum capital to work. VPS is recommended to use to run this EA. Low spread brokers are required for optimal performance of the Infinity EA. So now that was all about what inside the description in brief. Now let's talk about the claims claimed by the developer. Consistent returns. This EA provides consistent returns as claimed by the developer. Artificial intelligent technology. The developer has claimed that the Infinity EA is AI based and use machine learning with neural network and data analysis technology by ChatGPT. But according to me, if this is true, then we will see this in the backtesting, because if these claims are true, then users won't need any other tool or expert advisor for the rest of their lives. I am extremely excited to see whether this is true or just another false claim. So guys, just stay with me and watch the video till end. Third claim is that ChatGPT 4 and Turbo enabled. Developer claims that this expert advisor learning mechanism is ChatGPT 4 and Turbo enabled. Fixed stop loss and TP. Developer also claims that the Infinity EA use fixed stop loss and take profit levels. Another claim by developer is that this EA uses candlestick patterns as well to find the trading opportunities. GBP USD and gold compatible. Developer has claimed that this EA has been made for only GBP USD and gold. Any time frame compatible. No set files are required to run this EA. Now let's talk about the developer of this EA. So the developer Abhimanyu Hans has a recorded experience of 6+ years according to MQL5 data and 10 years according to the developer. This developer has many products and most of them has 5-star rating, which is a good sign of legitimacy. Another point I would like to mention here is that the developer's ranking point, which is 21,424, a good number. Now let's begin with the backtesting of the Infinity EA. So as shown in the screenshots, the developer has backtested this EA from 2020 to 2024. So what I'm going to do is I will backtest the EA on GBP USD and gold both from 2019 to 2024, because I think that 2019 should be an untested data which can provide more clarity about the expert advisor's performance. I'm gonna keep the settings on default in the first backtest and change the settings to the most aggressive one in my second backtest on both GBP USD and gold. But before we begin with the backtest, let's quickly look at the features we get with the Infinity EA, and the good thing is that the developer has provided a full blog and video about the setup and features of the Infinity EA. Let's have a look. So as we can see, a detailed blog with clear instructions and features details has been provided inside the blog, which is another positive thing for those who doesn't know about setting up or want to know in details about the features of the Infinity EA. So I'm not gonna go through the whole blog. You can check this out, guys. Let's go straight to the input features and begin with the backtest. So currently the EA is on default mode. Now let's begin backtest of GBP USD. let's begin with gold backtest with default mod. So we have done with default mod backtest. Now let's change the settings to most aggressive one and begin the backtest with GBP USD and gold after that. So I'm going to set the Autolot mod to full throttle and risk mod to full throttle, and I will activate the aggressive mod as well. Let's begin with GBP USD first. So as you can see on your screens, these 4 charts are from different backtests. The upper 2 are from default mod of GBP USD and gold. Below 2 are from the most aggressive mod available. Clearly guys, I am amazed with the results I am seeing here. And the way it traded 2019 year till now, it looks like all the claims made here are genuine, and this EA really uses AI technology to trade. Let's now have a look at the stats we got from the backtest. So these numbers are extremely great. I can just say that, but I need to investigate further into this EA because I haven't seen such results until now. So need to dig more into this. So I closely monitored the strategy, and what I found is extremely amazing and actual facts. This EA really uses AI guys. It really trades with fixed SL and TP levels. It has a hidden mechanism which sometimes get auto-activated to minimize losses. So even if the stop loss hits, some amount of losses has already recovered by EA through that mechanism, which is an excellent thing to have. It trades GBP USD and gold both in an amazing way and with amazing performance. So now finally the time for my conclusion guys. Through all my investigation about the Infinity EA, I can assure that this EA is really at a cheap price right now, because its performance is far better than most of the expensive EAs available on MQL5 marketplace. So from me, all green flags to the Infinity EA. So now time has come when I will give the Infinity EA ratings out of 5 stars. So I'm gonna give this EA 5 out of 5 stars absolutely without any doubt. And it's a masterpiece which has been crafted using AI and intelligently built by the developer. So that was all about the Infinity EA. I hope you will find this video helpful, and for most honest reviews and videos like this, subscribe my channel and support me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.